Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em đem cái Jingïap.
Hả nghe, lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên mình nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nạp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chừng
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut minti ramba kajelau bakmi ia ketanat kampo ieng ba prestun tensong. La pentip haka kalai terik urempang arja pendriau. Ba lakmi lenti baka Judicial Inquiry Commission kan sedang no ikajing Tohkit alor kajing betayu bom dynamite haka krem deuyong bean ha men sengat tangsko. Kabalalam syaka Jingïap ki lai phongut ki Nongbylla ti deuyong. Haka jing krem bagi laptai ku bor ba prestun lai thu ba ketanat Pulit ru kala Thaw ya ka Special Investigation Team da kajing betha ka Director General of Police ka jela ka kong ai nongrang ban pelong kajing Tohkit alor kani kajing jah.
Yeah, as IT is different from the ambit of this commission, but of course this commission, I think the order is about to come out very soon, maybe tonight or maybe lately tomorrow. Okay, that because we have already decided that the Judicial Inquiry Commission has to be put up to go all the details of this illegal activities that has happened, and also the unfortunate incident that has happened, and not less than 33 people lost their life.
So, but has it been decided who are going to be members of this and how many and who will head this commission?
By and large, the commission has to be headed by the retired judge, and then another 2 members. So let us wait when the notification comes out. Then you will be able to see exactly the members of this commission.
What about the SIT? For the Special Investigation Team?
The SIT has been constituted by the PHQ under the direction of DGP. So now the SIT has started its duties. So let us wait till the report is submitted.
What are the initiatives from the district administration and the district police chief?
Well, from the district administration is Chatty Hills, be it the deputy commissioner and be it the SP, they are all out to close down such illegal coal mining that has happened and which is also happening till today. And we have already strongly directed both the DC and the SP to make sure that these illegal activities again should not reoccur.
So is the government and also the police department also looking at the angle that how did they get a hold of such huge explosives?
Yes, that's what we have made quite a number of arrests. So now the investigation is on. We have taken all issues into consideration. Who supplied the illegal explosion again? Because see, there are rules, there are regulations where you need to procure and you can procure these explosives. So all these angles has been also taken into consideration. And as I said to you, the investigation is on, and very soon we will come out, and especially the SIT has just started the job, so let us wait till then we'll be able to know exactly. I think time and again you used to ask question to me, and I think you ask question to CM or to the honorable ministers time and again, and our replies were simply that our replies, yes, we have already instructed the district administration to please make sure that illegal coal mining be stopped at any level. So that was the decision we taken. That was the order we issued to all the district administration. But when you come back to this very, I should say, the saddest and unfortunate incident that has happened, as I said to you, we need to come out heavily. Now or no more. We need to come out, and we have to really react very, very heavily on this incident, what has happened. Because see, more or less, when the arrest made, the issue is what? The issue is ultimately said, we were compelled to, because of livelihood. You have what? But again, when you say livelihood, from where did you get so many laborers from different parts of our country? So therefore, as I said to you, right now, our point is very clear. We will not allow illegal activities to happen in the state, but it has happened, as I said to you, and now the response also is very, very strongly responded by the government, and we are going to really make sure that this incident that has happened should not reoccur again.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.